In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video in Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone and head straight into the main creation area. From there, tap on Generate to begin setting up your project. This is where you'll choose the tool you want to use and adjust everything before creating your video. At the top of the screen, check which generation mode is currently selected. If your app is set to image generation by default, tap on Image Gen and switch over to the video option. If it's already set to video generation, you can simply leave it as it is and move on. This is an important step because it makes sure the app is preparing a video instead of a still image. Next, tap on the model selection area and choose a video model. The model you pick can affect how your video looks and behaves, so it's worth taking a moment here to select the one that best fits the type of result you want. After that, tap the settings icon. Inside the settings, choose the dimensions for your video. This determines the shape and layout of the final result, so think about where you plan to use the video. For example, different dimensions may work better for vertical, square, or wider formats. You can also customize the video quality here. Higher quality may give you a cleaner result, but it can also take a bit longer to generate. Now type in your prompt for the video. Be as clear and specific as possible so Leonardo AI understands the scene, style, and motion you want to create. The better your prompt, the better your final output is likely to be. Once everything looks good, tap Generate and wait about 1 to 2 minutes for the video to compile in your feed. When it's finished, you'll be able to view the result right inside the app.